difficult.
Alright, let's go. Coming this way, Marco. So, kia ora guys, I'm up here with Marco. He's about to do something crazy. He's going to jump off the Auckland Sky Tower, 192 meters. How you feeling, man?
It's difficult, but I am Superman. There are no problem for me.
Alright, you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, let's go. So this is the view that we have out here today. Beautiful day here in Auckland City. We're going to get a photo before you jump,
Yeah.
okay? So come a little closer. Spin around, look up to the camera there. Big smiles, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Coming this way, Marco. I'm going to attach you to the front, and then you're going to face that way for me.
No, what?
So turn that way.
Okay.
Turn your body for me, Marco. Come to your left. Alright, we're going to do some checks, okay? Main on. That looks good. Alright, Marco, grab onto this blue rope. Other hand.
Yes.
Other hand.
On the hand?
There we go. And then this hand, you grab onto this one.
No, I don't know. I don't understand.
So with this hand, you're going to let go and grab onto the rope on this side.
One of the.
Yep. So grab onto this side.
This one.
No, this one.
This one.
This one.
No, which?
There we go. All right. Toes up on the air. Just going to pull you up, okay, Marco?
No.
You got it.
No.
Yep. Not yet.
No. What?
When I say go, you let go and jump out.
No.
Here comes Marco in 3, 2, 1, go! Have fun.
Let's go! Yeah! Andiamo! Very good, andiamo! Yes! E ci siamo!